Welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan, and today we're diving into the world of cyanotypes, but with a twist. We're using fake plants to create stunning botanical prints. I prefer the plastic kind of fake plants for this project over fabric ones. The plastic stems give us those sharp silhouettes we're after. Instead of buying individual stems, check out wreaths and garlands. You can often find a whole variety of fake plants in one bundle, and it's usually a lot more budget friendly. The removable ones make it super easy to arrange your design. I'm using a 16-inch by 20-inch floating frame for this project. The size is great because it lets me make two prints at the same time. First, carefully remove the top piece of glass. I always put masking tape on the edges just to be safe. Instead of the usual Sunprint paper, I'm using blue cardstock today. Just a heads up that it's a bit shorter than the Sunprint paper, so keep that in mind for your future projects. Then lay your two sheets of cyanotype paper on the bottom glass pane. Now for the fun part. Take those fake plants off their stems and start playing around with your design. Let your creativity flow. Once you're happy with the arrangement, gently lay the top glass pane over the plants. Don't worry if they shift a bit, you can always lift the glass pane up a little bit and adjust them. Lock the frame backing in place, and we're ready to take it outside for exposure. Find a nice sunny spot for your cyanotypes. I usually carry my frame flat to make sure nothing moves around while in transit. Now we wait. Leave the cyanotypes in the sun until the blue paper turns a pale green or almost white. Once they're exposed, I bring them back inside and remove the cyanotypes from the frame. I like to have my water and hydrogen peroxide baths ready to go, so I prep this before this whole process begins. A rinse in plain water for a minute or two, then a dunk in the hydrogen peroxide bath to really bring out that beautiful Prussian blue color. Finally, let your prints dry completely on a flat surface. I love using these cheap cookie sheets from the dollar store for this. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.